Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen T-Roc 1.6TDI 115B horsepower design in a stunning blue exterior color. With 113,865 kilometers on the clock, this vehicle is packed with comfort and safety features. From air conditioning and Bluetooth phone connectivity to multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Enjoy the convenience of electric windows, remote audio controls, and USB 12V power outlets, along with luxury trim and cup holders for added comfort. With ABS, traction control, and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. This Volkswagen T-Roc has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.